Okay, this video will share to you about how to make the villa with this basic concept of this meshing of villa. Okay, first of all, we can triple click this one. Okay, I've been separated it into the three meshing in here. Okay, the first meshing is about the line in here, and now we can make the barrier in here. We can make the barrier with the line over there. Okay, and after that, now we can click and select the offset tool. We can offset it inside in here until the position in here. Okay, and after that, now we can determine about the materials. We can select the water materials, click water materials, and double click and just assign the water materials in here. Okay, and after that, now we can assign with the decking in here. Okay, we can assign with this decking over there, and then now we can double click. Now we can click this line. We can click this line and select move tab control and just place to the position in here. Okay, and then now we can make the vertical line in here, and we can make the vertical line in here. Okay, now we can make the large glass window. We can just select the large glass window with this concept in here. Okay, then now we can assign, we can erase, click this bottom surface and erase this one. Okay, and then for this one, now we can select this line in here. Select this line and select move tab control and just place the position in here. Okay, and then just place the position in here. Okay, and and this is about the shaping. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another elements in here. We can make the sloping. Maybe we can make the sloping. Okay, then now we can push it up until the position in here, and click this line and select move and move it down in here, and double click and make group. Okay, then now we can select the landscaping and assign about the landscape area in this one, this position in here. Okay, and after that, now we can determine about this decking with this option. Okay, and then this is about the barrier. Okay, this is about the barrier with the rooftop concept in here. We can triple click this line and select move and place the position. Okay, the fence height or the fence tall is around 1.2 meter in here. Okay, triple click and make group. Then now we can assign about the glazing with this position in here. Okay, and after that, now we can maybe we can determine about the cladding. Okay, with this position, and okay, and then for the another concrete, okay, we can determine what this concrete, and then now we can place with the another component with the semi outdoor dining in here, with the outdoor dining on this position and the tree on this position in here. Okay, then now we can select move tab control, and now we can explode. Okay, we can explode and make group and just scale again, scale it down. We can move to the bottom in here. Okay, we can just place to the position in here. Okay, we can just place the position in here. Okay, so this is about the conceptual. This is about the conceptual of this villa in here, and okay, maybe we can make the another elements like pergola in here. We can make the pergola. Can make the pergola, little pergola in here on this swimming pool. Can push it down in here, and okay, triple click make group. Okay, then now we can triple click and make the rectangle and select move tab control and just place type 20 slash and enter in here. Okay, then now we can push it down one by we can click and push it down one by one. Okay, we can just double click. We can just double click it all. Okay, we can double click this one to make the hole, to make the several hole of this pergola in here. Okay, and then now we can make the rectangle hole of this rectangle in here. and just like this. And then now we can assign with the wooden materials in here. Okay, we can assign with the wooden materials, and then in here just like this, and it will make more representative. Then now we can activate the body shadow, and this is about the result anyway. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, so you can make the conceptual villa in here by this conceptual design. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.